Yeah.
Saturday Night Sounds. Another true story. The well-dressed gang of girls sit at the outside table, smoking cigarettes slowly in their high boots, tight skirts, taking bored-look selfies and watching the streetcars pass down St. Charles Avenue. Occasionally, one of them looks up at the stars, which are covered by a gray sky, but she continues to stare as if willing the clouds away. A saxophone begins to blow a half block down the street. The rest of the group doesn't even look towards the beauty of a Saturday sound and the star watcher. She continues to gaze upwards. The sax man walks our way, playing his heart out loudly. He passes the outside table and drowns out Kanye West from the inside jukebox. When he passes, his Saturday sounds begin to blend with the noises of evening. The stargazer looks from sky to saxophone, and she begins to sway in her seat. Slaps her hands down on the table and announces to her friends, "Let's get fucked up." It does this poet good to see that music still has the power to move people.